Today I'm going to show you how to set up shared folders in Google Drive. Ladies and gentlemen, if you do want to set up a shared folder, we're going to do it exactly like this. So I've got this folder right over here, and without even going into the folder, you can hit these three dots, and here you can go down to share. And when you go into share, you can click on the share again, and here you can set this up for only certain people to have permissions to this folder, including, of course, yourself, because you're the owner of the folder. So what you want to do is start adding email addresses right over here. So let's just go Greg Smith. We're going to add this guy. We can now also add different permissions per person. So they can either be a viewer, which means they could literally only see what is inside. They cannot comment and they cannot download. Then we have the commenter, so they can view and comment. And then we've got the editor, which gives full access. Okay, so choose your permissions, go ahead, check on the notify people, and then you can click on send. Now there is another way of doing this by not adding an email address, but going down over here, going to where it says restricted, go down, click on anyone with the link, and then you can change the permissions here, and then you can copy the link. Now once you copy the link, you can share it via email, via WhatsApp, however you want. And you can give people access to this folder, and they will forever have access to this folder until you change the permissions.